Hello guys, I received early gift, Christmas gift. So we have a
From her?
new helmet from Evo, mine and my wife's helmet. So this is mine. Let's see. So the helmet comes along with a bag for the helmet. So this is AR01 blue color. This is large, my size. So this has two visor, the main and the so the foam is thick. So just right, the fit is right for my head.
Just fit.
And it has a clear
Extra?
visor as well. That's for free,
Extra?
extra visor. And there's also a
Freebies.
previous, the keychain.
What is that blue one?
The blue one is for the head. It's a rough gauge.
Are you sure it's for the head? It's not
Yeah.
for your arm?
It's for the head. I like the shirt, but they don't have the large size.
Oh, okay.
And the keychain.
Hey, focus.
There's an Evo
Hmm.
logo. So that's mine. And for my wife, ta-da! So there is also a free visor. It's the tinted visor. So unfortunately it was not installed because the in charge was not there. So
Shall we go back there?
this is her helmet.
Shall we go back there? So that they will...
So this is colored white.
They will put it.
This is GT Pro.
Oh, wow.
So the white,
Nice.
the clear lens, and also the visor inside. So this is dual visor. So this is a medium size.
Nice.
So this is come along also with the bag
Mm-hmm.
to protect the helmet. And the previous is for the head.
Not the same.
I think it was interchanged. This is mine. This is for the headgear.
But I like that color.
So the other one
It's blue.
comes along with this for
What?
the arm. So it has two previous. This
Ang
is the
ako,
arm for the arm.
Ang ako Wala imo.
Two item naman ang pakapin.
So sa imo na. Huh?
That's for the arm.
Imo na.
And this is for the head.
Oh, terno man sila.
Oh, mo ni siya ang head. Para diri rin eh. Kani isa kay folded siya.
So kana may ako. Kay kato terno mo to sa imo blue.
So that's all the previous.
Wa ko'y kitchen?
Wala. Kuha man ni siya. pili man ka, this is A and this is C. The B was the shirt, dry fit shirt.
Oh,
They
yeah.
have only small size.
Oy.
That's why I choose these two items. So that's all, folks. So we have two helmet, the white and the blue. I think this is navy blue or royal blue.
It's dark blue. Mm. Mm. Okay.
So thank you very much to the sponsor, our daughter.
Gadaghan ni mong daughter. Uy.
Daughter Sheena, our eldest daughter.
First
First daughter or eldest daughter.
daughter. Thank you, first daughter, for our early Christmas gifts.
Nice one.
That we love.
She even choose the color, the
Nice.
design.
Nice. Okay. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Oh, there's something else pag ito eh.
Movable siya.
What is that?
Breather.
Oh,
Linisan.
you forgot to mention.
Murag ang imo hara.
Wala sa iyo.
Wala. Dito siya movable.
Wala.
Wala.
No for you. Kanang side. Unsam nang side. Ano ba? Hindi.
What's side? What side?
Ano ba?
Mo dyan
Ana.
Mo dyan yung visor. Yang clicker sa kuan. Visor
Oh,
nimo
kana
sa
ba? Click. Asam nang click. Ha? Kakao. Same sa imo.
Ako is different. Different ang yang clicker.
How come? Okay. Is
So,
that it?
That's all, guys. So
That's all,
see you
guys.
on my next vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Bye, guys.
Bye.